Watch your face! Oh.
Oof!
Blames his wife. Classic.
Stop it!
Oof! Oof!
Works.
Looks fine. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, that's not looking good.
Onto that garage
He
door.
might. Put your phone down, bro. He's making mistakes.
He's gonna do an E-Pow again.
This is a pretty clean garage, though.
Pow!
Oh! Yeah, we saw that.